In this video, I'm going to show you how to spot trade on BloFin. Now to do this, first you want to sign into your account, of course, and then here in the dashboard, you want to go to Spot up top, and you want to click on Spot over here. And now in here, you'll be able to, of course, go and start trading Spot, okay? Here, the first thing you want to do, of course, you have to deposit some funds, so you can just do that. I do have separate videos on how to do that, and then here you can select what you want to trade. I'm going to go with Solana USDT over here, just for an example. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to show you how to actually click these buttons and how to perform these spot trades over here. This is just for educational and informational purposes only. Of course, make your own research, do your own research, or consult professionals if you actually are getting into this. And of course, over here, I'm just going to go to trade, and you can see you have buy and sell. So I'm inside spot. I can go and buy or sell here. And as you can see, it tells me how much I have available and then the price over here. So of course, I'm going to select the total over here. You can do available, and you can see, of course, I have different wallets. So what I'm going to do here is just go and type in a random amount. I'm going to do like 100%, which is my case is 0.05 USDT, but you get the point. And then I can just add take profits and stop losses as well. And of course, click on buy over here, or of course, sell if I'm selling. Now, this is the limit order, but of course, you can do a market order as well, which is just going to buy or sell at the current market price, or you have some other orders over here, such as trigger, scaled order, or TP/SL, which stands for take profit or stop loss, okay? So it's completely up to you. Hit the button, and of course, whenever you do this, of course, you must meet the minimum amount, which I currently don't have, but if you do, you'll be able to start spot trading on BloFin, and then you can just scroll down, and here you'll see your open orders, order history, your positions, etc., okay? That's it. That's how to spot trade. Super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.